In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut and trim videos on Windows 11 without re-encoding. Open your web browser, then go to the LosslessCut GitHub website. If you need the exact page, feel free to pause and copy it from the pinned comment. Once the page loads, look over to the right sidebar and click Releases. On the Releases page, find the Assets section and click Show All Assets. In the list of downloadable files, click LosslessCut Win x64.7z. When the download finishes, open your Downloads folder. Find the file named LosslessCut Win x64.7z, then right-click it. In the menu that appears, click Extract All. A small extraction window opens. Click Extract. Windows will create a new folder with the extracted contents. Open that extracted folder. Inside it, find LosslessCut.exe and double-click it. LosslessCut opens with a clean, minimal interface. You'll see a video preview area in the center and a timeline running across the bottom. Now open your desktop in File Explorer. Find the video file you want to trim. Then drag that file into the LosslessCut window. As soon as you drop it in, the video loads right away. You'll now see the video preview, the timeline bar at the bottom with a playhead, and the segment controls below the timeline. Next, move to the timeline and drag the playhead to the point where you want the video to start. If you want to play through the video instead of dragging, press L to play forward and press K to pause. Keep moving through the clip until the playhead is sitting exactly at your desired starting point. Once the playhead is in the right place, click the Set Cut Start to Current Position button. This is the left-facing bracket icon, and it sits to the left of the play button. You can also press I on your keyboard to do the same thing. As soon as you set that start point, the part before it is marked for removal. On the timeline, that removed section appears darker or grayed out. Now move the playhead again, this time to where you want the video to end. You can drag along the timeline or use L to play and K to pause while you search for the exact endpoint. When the playhead reaches the position where the trimmed video should stop, click the Set Cut End to Current Position button. This is the right-facing bracket icon, and it appears to the right of the play button. You can also press O on your keyboard. After you set the endpoint, the section after it is marked for removal, and only the highlighted middle portion remains selected to keep. With the trim range set, go to the bottom right corner and click Export. A confirmation window appears. Click Export again. The export finishes almost instantly, usually in under a second, because LosslessCut copies the video data directly instead of re-encoding it. When it's done, you'll see a confirmation notification. Click the folder icon next to the output path. This opens the location of the exported file. In that folder, play the new file to check the result. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. The exported file is saved in the same folder as the original video, and the file name is slightly modified. It keeps the original name, with the segment time range added to it. What you now have is a trimmed video file that starts exactly where you set the first cut point and ends exactly where you set the second one. The export happened instantly without re-encoding, so the original quality is preserved pixel for pixel, and the file size is smaller in proportion to the section you kept.